guys, we keep hearing BTech and BSc everywhere. But this BS Computer Science AEDP program, why is everyone saying it's different? What's actually unique here?
Yeah, even I checked that. Unlike regular degrees, this program focuses on strong computer science fundamentals along with practical exposure, not just theory classes every day.
Exactly. The main difference is the industry-embedded apprenticeship. While studying, students also work with companies and handle real tasks.
Okay, but many colleges say practical exposure. What's really different here? How is this actually better than those programs?
Here, the curriculum is designed with industry collaboration. Students work on live projects, use real tools, and solve actual problems.
So basically, by the time we complete the degree, we won't feel like freshers.
Yeah.
We'll already have real experience, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's the biggest advantage. Today, companies look for skills and experience, not just marks or theoretical knowledge.
Now I get it. It's not just about getting a degree. It's about being ready for a job from day one. This is not just another degree. This is where you learn, work, and grow at the same time.
A degree with real experience. A future-ready choice. Let's apply.